Welcome back to House of Roll. Today is Monday, January 30th. Today's Monday, January 30th, and I'm currently sitting in front of Starbucks. We don't have internet at our house yet. They have to confirm the address because it's new construction. And so I'm at Starbucks to work. I have to stay in the area. Otherwise, I'd be at my mom's. The refrigerator comes today. It's refrigerator delivery day. So I'm going to go in here and work for a little bit. I'm going to try to get in touch with some of my real estate clients. Try to edit some pictures. That's my alarm. But try to edit some pictures and try to do a reel for Instagram. That's my goal. We'll see how it goes. I need to read my word. I can't believe I didn't say that first. And yeah, that's my goal. And to not get distracted by looking at house decor and furniture. That's the goal. So I'll sit here and work until they call me to tell me that the fridge is on its way. The time frame for the fridge is between 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. It's currently 9:35. So we'll see how much work I get done before they call me to go let them in for the refrigerator. Yes. The empty house tour is coming soon. We have our housewarming scheduled. I'm sending out the invites today. And yeah. Just excited. It's going to be a great week. This is going to be the first weekly vlog that I've ever shot. So I'm going to record from today all the way to Wednesday, and then this will go live on Thursday. So we'll see how this goes. Let us know in the comments what you think about the content for the weekly vlog. If you like the weekly vlogs or you're not a fan of the weekly vlogs. Yeah. And hit that subscribe button while you're at it. See you guys on the inside of Starbucks.
Oh, you gotta put our picture in that. You can't use that. That's not allowed, okay? You have to put our picture up.
Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, I bet you that's Mike. Yep, that's Mike. Hold, please. And I'm back. Okay. So we went with the Samsung, and let me see if I can find the model on the paper. This is the, yeah, there's a whole lot of numbers. Sorry guys, but I think it's the only Samsung with a TV thing, screen, and 2 drawers. This is my favorite part. This was the main reason for getting this. So you can, let's see, turn it this way to unlock it. And then, yeah, I gotta figure out how this thing moves. Oh, it's taped down, duh. That might prevent it from moving. Okay, I need 2 hands for that, so I'll come back to that. And here is the freezer. So it has two drawers. And right here will be the beverage station. So this is where I'll put the drinks, the waters, the sparkling waters, and Aisling's juices. Let's see what's happening on the inside of here. So here is the ice maker, and he just said don't drink the first 2 gallons of water and dump the first 2 batches of ice. So yay, and then that must be the door compartments. And yeah, I gotta get in here and get all this tape off. Finally, almost done getting all of this tape off of here. Y'all, why is there so much tape on the new refrigerator? Tape and plastic. Mike stopped by to help, and now he's back on his way to work. So it's just me, and I think for the most part, we knocked it out. We're gonna leave this one on until we get this set up and going. Oh, I guess you guys can't see that. The plastic on here, on the screen, we're gonna leave that on there. But I wanted to show you guys this right quick. So this is what I was trying to show you before, how this moves. So we can get it set up for each beverage. Monday night, and we just got to our favorite restaurant for dinner to celebrate Aislinn and her 100% reading accuracy. It's a little mini celebration. Hi, honey. You been waiting a long time for us?
Yeah. I told you what time the dinner date was.
Hey!
Father God, bless this food as we about to eat it. Blessed that my knowledge our bodies to give us strength and health. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Date night for excellence was a success.
Today is Tuesday, January, let's see, 31st. And I'm at the house right now. They're fixing the grout in our bathroom. Let's see. Oh, it's been a morning already. Took the little to school. We were running behind, so I couldn't record that. And then what did I do after I took her to school? I had to come home, unlock the door for the painter to come fix something in my half bathroom. And then I had to go do hair. And it is 2:54, so you seen in the previous clip, I was at the car place getting an oil change and trying to knock out getting some things done on my phone and tablet while I was waiting for that. It actually didn't take as long as I anticipated. And now I'm just sitting here waiting for them to get done. Oh, I wanted to show you guys what I did a thing yesterday. But I wasn't able to record it, so I'm gonna record it right now. Give me 1 second. I hope you guys are ready for this. And I made a reel for this, and you can go see it on our Instagram. It's pretty cool. But I made a reel while I was getting this all situated. This is gonna be one of my favorite parts. There was a lime, another lime right here. These fit perfectly. There was another one here, but I took it this morning, so I had to replace it with that. And there's still nothing on the inside of the fridge. Still very bare. On Saturday, Mike surprised me with something, and I absolutely love them, so I want to show them to you guys. He put these light bulbs in here, and I wish you could see them and really like appreciate them. Now remember, the other ones were white. These ones are like an amber. It's like the glow they give off is much different from the other ones. So they're more of a moody situation. Okay, here's what they look like with the light on. You gotta see it at night. I'm gonna have to turn them on at night so you can see. Also, this is our very first piece of furniture in the house. And it came with a different lampshade, but Mike went and sourced this one, and then he put another amber color bulb in there. And this is the base, so it like arches over. And then this is the base, and then you step on it to turn it on, which you won't really be able to appreciate again. But at night, y'all, it's a whole mood at night. So yes, that's what that's looking like. It's our first piece of furniture. And it's so cute, and it's so different. It was the only one at the store, so he had to have it. But he did good. And then there'll be a chair that goes right here. Yesterday when they delivered the fridge, when I went to go get it set up and I was taking off all the plastic, I recorded some videos, so I'm about to utilize this time to make a reel for today of taking the plastic off the refrigerator. So the loading the drawer with the drinks, and this one that I'm about to do. If you guys love, what is it? ASMR? I think it's ASMR. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you go check out the Instagram so you can see the video. And if you didn't know, if you're new to creation, content creation, what is the name of this app? CapCut. It'll be your best friend. This is not a sponsored post, but I definitely wanted to shout out this app because it makes video editing a breeze. It's so easy. Because it's literally, you just select the videos you want to add, put them in, do all your creative stuff, and you can either save it, send it right to TikTok, or save it to your phone. I like to save it to my phone and then upload it myself on Instagram. TikTok, not really my jam. I tried to make it my jam. I'll probably still utilize it here and there, but it's not my thing. So yes, I'm gonna get this done. It's 6:47 Tuesday night, and I just finished doing a first-time home buyer consultation. Went amazing. She seems like she's gonna be a great client. I'm really excited. Now y'all forgive me because I got this camera rigged on my dashboard, so I am praying that it does not fall off and break my camera. But we're gonna roll with it for right now. I just wanted to get on here and vent for just a minute. Do y'all ever have those days where you just be irritated? Like, it's like one thing after another. And not anything, nothing major happened today. Just irritated. Oh my goodness. Poor Mike, y'all. He called me to ask me something and was talking to me, and I was like, honey, I gotta call you back because I just need a moment. And he's like, why do you need a moment? Because I need a moment. I just picked my baby up from school. I ain't talked to her. And more than 2 words, and my brain is just, it's mashed potatoes right now. And so I need a minute to recoup, catch my breath. And I knew after getting off the phone with him to talk to my daughter, I was gonna have to throw something in my mouth right quick. After I threw something in my mouth, I had to get right on the road to get to this consultation. And after this consultation, then I need to go to work, and it's a lot. It is a lot. And might I add, since I'm venting, I did not realize how time consuming home ownership was going to be. And we're not even there yet. So, yeah, it's because I had to stop what I was doing to go let the painter in. And then I had to stop what I was doing to go, see, that's what I'm talking about, y'all, to let the painter in. And then we had some grout issues, like I mentioned earlier, so I had to stop and go wait for that. And it's like, by the next thing I knew, it was time to pick up the little. And you're really not gonna let me get over? Thank you. People, you see my lane is ending and I'm getting on the highway. Just be kind. Be kind and scoot over. Anyway, I'm tired of my voice sounding like this. This is not how I sound. I cannot wait for my voice to come back. But yeah. Anyway, that's my venting moment. I secretly just want to go lay down and go to bed. That is not an option right now because I have things that I have to get done. So, I don't know if I'm going to pick the camera back up tonight, but we'll see when I edit this vlog if I ever did pick this camera back up. But outside of that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, whatever day you're watching this. I hope your day is bright and beautiful and grand, and it's full of joy and not full of irritation like mine. But tomorrow's a new day, and it will get better. All right, y'all, let me get off here so I can drive safely. Peace out. Happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday at 10 o'clock. Aislinn had a doctor's appointment this morning, so we just did that, and she's been wanting to come see the new refrigerator, so, gotta sneeze, y'all. It's not coming. Anyway, she wanted to see the new refrigerator, so instead of going straight to school, we stopped by here to turn the lights off outside, and so she could see the refrigerator. All is well. We just had to get some medication. She has like a rash or something on her shoulder. That was a little concerning, but she's fine. I told her, I said, your arm's not falling off. Man, this sneeze is sitting right here. We got something in the mail yesterday.
We got a shoe cover.
So our shoe covers. So this is gonna be beneficial and mandatory in the house. So if you don't want to take your shoes off when you come in, then you will be putting on these shoe covers. We are a no shoes household, but I understand not everybody feels comfortable taking off their shoes, or some people would prefer not to take off their shoes. So in the event that they do not want to, we have shoe covers. And eventually when the table is by the front door, I'll have it stored neatly so you can't see them. But since the housewarming is coming up and we're trying to prepare, we had to get these. So we ordered them on Sunday from Amazon and they got here today. And I think, yeah, we got the 200 pack. So there's 200 shoe covers in here, which I think is 100 pairs. Yeah, I think it's 100 pairs. 200. So we're gonna let Aislinn explore and see the refrigerator so she can see how it works.
And you don't have to be exhausting walking back and forth to put your shoes in your room.
At least, yeah. Hold on.
Juice boxes. I'll take one to go.
What do you think about that?
Oh, good.
There's no more of them, so it'll be uneven. I think I have a water in the car. I don't have one of these, so I'll grab one of these.
Mama, don't you want to try one of these peach ones? Huh? Want to try one?
I tried one the other day. It's not the favorite.
Mama might like the peach one. Take a peach one to go.
So this was my reasoning for getting the peach. I thought it was gonna taste like the Kroger Big K peach, which is really, really good, but it has a ton of sugar. Not really what I thought. They're not bad, it's just not the best. Now this flavor right here, the blackberry bubbly, yes ma'am. This is a 10 out of 10 for sure. I would give this like a 7 out of 10. But I'm interested to try the other flavors. Yeah, it's gonna be like that because this is all of them that were in the pack. So let me close this.
What does that do?
Don't do that. You don't touch this.
What does it do?
Okay.
Ooh,
This is the freezer. So there's this drawer, and then there's that drawer. So yeah, so it'll be easy for you to get breakfast in the morning. And then this is the water and ice maker.
Water, cube, crunch, ice, ice.
Lots of storage, huh?
Mommy,
What?
why is there a lock thingy?
Oh goodness. Sorry, y'all. I just realized that was Cricket. It wasn't on there, right? Why is there what?
A lock thingy.
I don't know, but don't touch it. 'Cause I don't know what it... Maybe it locks the drawers.
Oh, this could be the first drawer.
Yeah, we got a ton of storage, so we'll have to see what will go where. And then there's storage over here too. We still have to keep dumping. I don't think we've gotten rid of 2 gallons yet. Probably at more close to 1.5. So I just take this Chick-fil-A cup. I'm gonna do one more, and then I gotta get her to school because she's already late.
Done with the juice box.
Put it in the in the laundry room. There's a trash bag that I'm getting ready to take out. Put it in there, please. Okay, that's it for right now. We are getting ready to go to school. It's 1:16 and I'm sitting in the car. I just finished a meeting with my real estate team and that went really great. It ran a little bit longer, but they provided lunch, which was kind of good. I did forget to get a video or a picture of it. But I'm about to sit in my car and work for just a minute. I need to schedule some showings for Sunday, and then I need to document a first time home buyer consultation I had last night. I didn't get time to document that. You guys, I fell asleep and I don't know how long I was asleep, but I woke up and like a lot of time had passed. Because I think when I woke up it was like 4 something, but I couldn't tell you when I dozed off. My phone was underneath me somewhere. Yeah. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. I thought after getting the house and getting all of that situated, like, the tiredness would kind of calm because I could get some rest finally. And yeah, not so much. Still very tired. I probably need to take off a day just to relax, but it's, again, so much is happening right now. But I'm pretty sure after the housewarming, I'm trying to make sure I'm not about to tell a lie. After the housewarming, the next big thing is getting all of our stuff over to the house. That's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. So yeah, I'm about to sit here and work for a minute in my car. I could have stayed in the office, but I just wanted to come sit in my car and do these notes. So yes, before I start working, I'm about to try this Perrier lime. I've never had it before. It almost kind of tastes like Sprite. That's a good little flavor there. I got these for Mike, but since I don't drink pop, this is reminiscent of a Sprite. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's 10:12. I'm just getting home from work. I am so tired, y'all. I'm so tired. And I can't even go. I'm at my mom's house. We're still at my mom's house. We haven't moved into the house yet. So I'm about to go in here, and I would love to say I was going in here to go to sleep, but that would be a lie. I have to edit some pictures, edit this vlog, and eat, shower, call Mike, all the things. So I'm going to close this vlog out here, and I thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the weekly vlog, and yeah, I can't even think straight right now. I'm so tired. Like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave us a comment below. Until next time, peace out.